Hi there, today I wanted to share a Halloween decoration art project. I used an old food container, cleaned it out and took out the labels, and some contact paper from the Dollar Tree. Using a marker, I drew some jack-o'-lantern faces on the contact paper, then cut, peeled, and stuck them onto the container. Then, using some orange paint from the Dollar Tree, I began painting the entire container, making sure to paint over where I stuck the contact paper. Then I grabbed some brown paint to cover the lid. I wanted to make this project using things I already had around the house, but if I could do it again, I would definitely use fabric for this part. You know, grab the hot glue gun and go to town. Here it is, all dry and ready to be peeled. Sometimes these things don't come out perfect, but that's okay. I use these glow-in-the-dark fillers, also from the Dollar Tree, to put in the bottom of the container. To add a little decoration around the lid, I use this Dollar Tree ribbon. With some glue, I placed it around the sides of the lid. I didn't have any twine, so I just grabbed some yarn I had laying around and I added that to the sides of the lid as well. Here's the finished jack-o'-lantern container. We made a few of these, and my toddler son had fun painting them with me. I added one of the Dollar Tree votive candles inside of it, to make it look a little bit more like a real jack-o'-lantern. This is just a quick little Halloween decoration I enjoyed making with my son. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a happy Halloween.